So our last ingredient for our stuffing is going to be these beautiful Italian parsley leaves. And I love Italian parsley. It gives every ingredient or every dish that you make with it such a nice fresh flavor. So I like adding it in. And what we're going to do is take a stem of Italian parsley and literally just pick off the leaves. Now the stems, as you can see, can get kind of thick and woody, and you definitely don't want that in your stuffing. You want your stuffing to be nice and light. And the good thing is we're doing it in the food processor, so we don't necessarily need to chop up all of our Italian parsley. I'm going to get just a few more sprigs, and it smells amazing. It smells so nice and fresh. Let's see if I can do it that way. It's another trick. You can rip off the whole bunch and then kind of go through and pick out the bigger stems if you need to. And pick out a few more. And if you don't like parsley or would like to add another ingredient, feel free to do so. Have some fun with it. You can add all kinds of things to this filling. Okay, now that I've got about a handful of the leaves, I'm going to add them to our food processor. And I'm going to mix it so we get all of our ingredients completely combined. Perfect. Our filling is now ready. This is what it's going to look like. As you can see, it's not a paste, but it's definitely flaky. And the last thing that we're going to need to add whenever they're ready is going to be the pine nuts. So what we're going to do is pour this into the bowl and set it aside until our pine nuts are ready.